How to turn off security alerts in Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. So without any further ado, let's jump right into our process. Go ahead and open up your Messenger. Make sure that you are logged into your Messenger account through your Facebook. Now go ahead and tap onto this 3-bar icon on your top left. Again, go to the gear icon on your top right. Scroll all the way below until you see Privacy and Safety. Once you see this, tap onto it. And again, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats under Security. Once you do so, you will see Security Alerts. Tap open that option, and if you see it's toggled on, toggle it off. By doing so, you won't receive any notifications for all your security-related activities. And that quite wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, then do comment down below and follow our channel to access more helpful videos like this.